Hey guys, this is Miss Hendry. All right, we're going to learn another coin today. Today we are going to learn about the dime. This is a dime. Now it's kind of the smallest one. It's the smallest little silver coin. All right, so Miss Hendry has a little poem about the dime that helps us to remember. A dime is worth 10 cents. The poem says, dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. All right, so when we count dimes, it says that a dime is worth 10. So looking at our hundred chart, when we count dimes, we're just going to start at 10 and go down. So it sounds like this: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right. So when we count by tens, or when we count dimes, we count by tens. 10, 20, 30. Good. All right, sweet friends. So these are dimes. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10.